Hi. As preparation for Rosh Hashanah, we want to go through a change, but why it's not that easy to truly change from within? Why it's not easy to change our attributes? And I would say that the reason is because when we are truly changing, it's like the old me passed away. And who would like to die? This is the feeling of when we really change. It's like the old me passed away, and we really need to mourn on that one that passed away. So this is literally what's the meaning of the real change. This is why it's hard to change. We need to be willing to go through death in order to get to the next level. Hopefully that this month we'll be able to get the energy and the strength to do so, because the benefit when we change and we are getting better, when we are altering to another level, the reward is unbelievable. God willing that we will succeed to do so.